Huge news out of OpenAI. They have just released SearchGPT, and if you're looking to make money online, it is taking it to the next level. This is going to be the Google killer. So the big news out of OpenAI is now the integration of SearchGPT into ChatGPT. So all you got to do in order to be able to search the web is click the little world icon, and then any query you put in is going to allow you to get all that extra information. If you want the Chrome extension, I'm going to put the link in the description below as well. So make sure you click that, and then it's going to make it an absolute breeze for you. What it can do is pull everything you need into a systemized, easy to read strategy that allows you to implement step by step. So what I'm going to get it to do is show me what upcoming events are happening for Harley-Davidson bikers in the USA. Now, for us to search the web, I'm just going to hit this little world icon, and now that's going to trawl all the different information up to date, the up-to-date information across the web. So if I hit that, it's going to list out exactly what upcoming events are happening, which is really, really cool. So to do that same search on Google, what it does is it lists out the different websites as we know. Like we have to go clicking into to open it up and actually do our own research. It's a lot more clunky. It's not as straightforward as having it all here listed on one page. So from here, what I'm getting it to do next is this. Based on previously top-selling merchandise for Harley-Davidson bikers, please give me 10 shirt design ideas to sell to these bikers without infringing on trademarks or trademark content for each of these events. Now, this is where it starts coming into its own. If we were to run that same query over on Google, the results, it doesn't make sense. Firstly, it's not going to list out all the different shirt design ideas. It's actually going to make us go in there and do the work, find the different inspiration, and then still have to craft our shirt design ideas. Whereas on SearchGPT, what we can do is have it create these ideas for us. So right into 2025, end of season rally, and it's telling us what kind of shirt idea would go well with it. A collage of various motorcycle parts forming the year 2024. So in years gone by, I've actually done a similar design spelling out the word love with motorcycle parts, and that made me tens of thousands of dollars. Veterans Appreciation Weekend, so freedom riders, a silhouette of a biker saluting against an American flag backdrop, honoring veterans. Wheels of Valor. These are really, really cool ideas. And what's going to help you do even better with this is your own research on top of this. So yes, it shortcuts and makes it easier for us to be able to find winning ideas and inspiration and products, but nothing beats your time spent actually further reviewing it yourself. Veterans Appreciation Weekend, Freedom Riders, Wheels of Valor, I think that's a great one. Patriotic Ride, Salute to Service, Bravehearts Ride, Honor Roll Ride, Stars and Stripes Cruise. There's lots of good ideas here. Texas two-wheelers, that's great. Rally in the Gulf, Texas Talk. You know, there's even ones to use for, the election that's going on right now. So Garbage Gang would be a good one for bikers. Have the patches and whatnot on the back. I think that'd be a great one as well. The thing is, with this, it just takes it to the next level. The thing that makes SearchGPT so powerful is the follow-up conversation you can have with it. It can help you strategize. It can give you the plan of attack, how to get all these designs created, the different tools to use, and then compile it all in the one screen to simplify your workload. Google's dying, and it's going to be dying fast, particularly when ChatGPT and OpenAI are coming through with such updates like this that are making it so much easier for us to make money online. Now, if you're looking for the step-by-step roadmap to creating your own $5,000 to $10,000 print-on-demand business with AI in as little time as possible, make sure you check out the PODHacks Accelerator. You can find that from the first link in the description below. Check it out. And if you love the sound of it, make sure you book a call with my team and I. I'd love to see you over there. And if you're looking to explode your profits through the coming months and beyond, you want to make sure you're checking out these products now. Stay awesome.